so tasty. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a kiwi blueberry smoothie. Yes. So before I go into the video, remember to like, share and comment. Thank you so much guys for watching my live in the days, and thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you for sharing and commenting. Likes are important. So guys, when you watch my videos, please give me a thumbs up, and let me know what you're thinking about them. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for my subscriber. I appreciate all of you. Okay, so before I get into this video, guys, remember to always share my videos, let they go viral, and remember to follow me on all social at @AnnBooth. Okay, TikTok, Facebook, @AnnBooth, same @AnnBooth. Okay, thank you so much for watching and thank you for the support. So let's dive right into this video, this kiwi blueberry smoothie. Okay, let's go. So guys, I have here some blueberry frozen. I have my kiwi all cut up and ready. I have my yogurt, I have some milk, I have some flaxseed and some pumpkin seed, and I have some cube ice. So let's get rocking. All right, so I'm gonna add the fruits to the blender. It's my bullet. Yeah. Kiwi, nice and juicy kiwi. Okay, I put these aside. Add some pumpkin seed. You can choose to use whatever seed you have, whatever you want to use in your smoothie. Some flaxseed. Okay, I'm gonna add my seed, my yogurt. This one is pineapple. This is whole milk. I'm gonna add some. I'm going to add plenty because I'm gonna add some ice to it. Okay, the cube ice. I'm gonna cover. And I'm going to blend. Guys, all done. My kiwi blueberry smoothie, that's the name. Okay, so I'm gonna glass this now. Let me put these aside and show you what's going on, what's popping in there. Yes, as I said before, blueberry always takes the color of everything. Okay, let's pour this out. Pour this out, guys. Ooh, yummy, yummy guys, yummy, yummy, yummy. So let me pop my straw in. So delicious, so delicious guys, so delicious. Go ahead and try it guys, you will love it. Okay, go ahead and try this smoothie. You will love it. All right. So I have in this smoothie some kiwi, some blueberry, yogurt, some pumpkin seed, flaxseed, and some milk, and some cube ice. So go ahead and try this video, guys. You will love it. So delicious. Taste it. So good. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for sharing. Thank you. All right, guys. So until my next video, bye.